چې ملګرو ملتونو یا د هند حکومت کوم اقدامات کړي دي هغه ښه اقدامات دي خو کافي نه دي.
Up to date, if the government of India has done, that is well, but they have not done as they had to do.
कंधार के हवाई अड्डे पर थोड़ी देर के बाद अपहृत विमान से 5 अपहरणकर्ता उतरते दिखाई दिए। ये अपहरणकर्ता जसवंत सिंह की कार की तरफ गए और कार की खिड़की से अंदर झांककर कार में बैठे तीनों आतंकवादियों की पहचान की। फिर इन तीनों आतंकवादियों के साथ सभी अपहरणकर्ता एक गाड़ी में बैठकर तेजी से गायब हो गए। इस बीच अपहृत इंडियन एयरलाइंस के विमान से कोई भी यात्री नहीं उतरा, जिससे पूरे माहौल
गाड़ी में ये बैठ गया उसमें व्हीकल में और वो फॉरेन मिनिस्ट्री की गाड़ी में बैठा है। बनाते जाओगे
संध्या है, एक ऐसी संध्या जिसका अंत तो सुखद है ही और ये अगली शताब्दी के लिए सुखद संकेत भी दे रहा है। इंदिरा गांधी अंतर्राष्ट्रीय हवाई अड्डे से मैं आलोक शुक्ला।
As we have been able to bring to you, you are seeing the first plane arriving in the Indira Gandhi International Airport just now, and the first of the most sought after citizens of the last 8 days are about to come out. The atmosphere here is full of expectation and emotion. There are surging relatives and friends of the passengers and crew all around. Everyone is waiting for the most sought after citizens of the country in the last 8 days. Twin has come and has already touched down, and the passengers, first passengers are just about to come out. And that is how and friends right at the doorway of the aircraft. We have made arrangement all over the place. Our camera team is deployed right at the exit point of the airport and at the press conference which is going to be held just after that. So we'll bring you the live scenario of this place immediately afterwards as it happens. As you are saying, the passengers and the most beloved citizens of this country in 150 and odd are just alighting down, and they will now come through the exit. We will keep bringing you the report as it happens after this. This is Akshay Raut from Indira Gandhi International Airport. Their relations and friends are only some among them. They will be definitely eagerly awaited in their homes. They will like, after an 8 days ordeal, they will like to go back to their homes, but some may immediately require some medical treatment. Some will be seen and talked by the security agencies. So they are trying to keep back the memories which have afflicted them.
Passengers have started arriving one by one. There is excitement among the relatives and the people who are there to receive them. There are health workers,